All right, guys, right now up on live breaks, we have two boxes. Both are going to be 2014 historic autographs, 1934 through 36 originals baseball box. This goes out to Brad. Brad, again, appreciate the order. Let's see what we get you today. All right, we have numbered 16 of 17, Sam Rice. Sam Rice, near mint to mint 8 for the auto grade only. Sam Rice. And on to the second box. There we go. We have Lloyd Wainer. Lloyd Wainer on this one. So that's a nice one. Numbered 1 of 28. And again, a near mint to mint 8. So cool. There you go, Brad. Again, appreciate the order. We'll get these packed up and out the door for you today.